flood market of Michigan.
So with private flood insurance, I said we've talked about the National Flood Insurance Program a little bit. We've talked about coverages. We've talked about kind of some of the wacky rules that they have. Private flood insurance, not every insurance company is the same. With the National Flood Insurance Program, even if you're using these third-party companies, then everything is still underwritten through FEMA. The rates generally are going to be the same. Private, you might get a $10,000 rate. You may get an $800 rate. It depends on how their contract is set up with their reinsurer, which is going to be like a Lloyd's of London, AIX Specialty, really depending on who the reinsurer is, how that contract is set up. I mean, there's more than 5,000 different contracts. So because of this, they can pick and choose the risk they want. They can pick and choose what they want to charge. If they want to insure basements, if they want to insure properties that have ever flooded before. It really just depends how that contract is set up. Now, when it comes to their rating system, they've been using a lot of things that FEMA just started using. Their data and technology is way more advanced, so they can implement like climate change. So they may offer a rate this week they didn't offer next week based on some climate changes, based on maybe some mitigation things the community did. The technology is very advanced with a lot of these private companies, especially with parametric insurance, which is starting to make its entry into the U.S. market in the last 45 days from the U.K., which basically what it does is it has sensors around a property, and when water hits those sensors, it immediately sends a check to the insured for whatever the policy is based on they're insuring for based on, if they have 3 feet of water, they have a set amount of coverage for 3 feet of water, and the customer has their check within 48 hours. Kind of has some of that parametric flood insurance. Banks don't accept it though. It's not approved through the National Flood Insurance Program. It's really more of what's called an excess policy on top of whatever you've got. One of the things that private looks a big thing at is the 20-year floodplain that FEMA's not really using at all.